Whether the trays will be mounted to the wall, from the ceiling, or under the floor, there are a variety of supports available from Cablofil. The Fast Assembly System, or FAST fittings, support and secure Cablofil tray with patented locking tabs that require only a screwdriver to be used. No additional hardware is needed. As a general rule, supports must be located within 2 feet of a change in direction or elevation. For details, see the Cablofil installation guide included with every Cablofil order. The FAST Universal Bracket or FAST L bracket are the most common brackets for wall applications. The number of supports required per running foot of tray is based on the widths of the tray and the number of cables in the tray. This should be noted on the installation drawings. If there is any question as to the number of supports to be used, check the quick reference chart that can be found on the Cablofil website. Determine the height of the tray run and mark a point on the wall at the appropriate height based on the bracket used. Fasten the brackets to structural wall members with the appropriate fastener. Now that the trays are spliced together, they can be laid up into the supports. Finally, bend the tabs on the fast brackets to secure the tray to the mounting brackets. For multiple levels of tray, consider using the FAST C bracket. For horizontal runs mounted flat to the wall, a good choice is the FAST P bracket. The FAST P is pre-drilled for easy installation and will hold the tray away from the wall 2/3 of an inch. The FV bracket is used for vertical installations and will stand the tray off the wall 1 1/8 inches. The FAST PCH center hanger allows for easy cable loading from either side and is stabilized with a center support tube. This protects the cables from damage by the threaded rod during the pulling process. An alternative to the center hanger is the AS trapeze hanging clips. These support both sides of the tray and quickly unhook to side load cables. Once the cables are placed in the tray, a side clip is bent to secure it. The trapeze hung fast profile can support large, heavily loaded trays or multiple trays. Assemble all threaded rods to the FAST P using the proper washers and nuts. Now add the beam clamps and mount these assemblies to the overhead beams or mount to the ceiling deck. Level all supports. Lift the 10-foot tray sections individually and place them in the supports, splicing them together in midair. After the run is completed, tighten all nuts and secure the tray with fold-down fast tabs. The tray is now ready to load with cable. Another option for ceiling hung installation is a gripple cable hanging support. Cables are attached to the ceiling deck or to overhead beams and ceiling joists. Then the adjustable gripple brake is attached to a FAST P support to level and suspend the tray. All of the information we've shown is available in the Cablofil installation guide that is included in every shipment of tray. It is also included in our catalog and on our website. The underfloor support system, or UFS, is designed to support tray independent of the floor system. UFS 2-foot floor tray sections can be installed through the floor opening, or standard 10-foot sections of tray can be used before the floor is installed. First, assemble the legs and crossbars by bending the tabs with a screwdriver. The legs are designed for infinite height adjustment. Place the assembled supports and loosely attach them to the floor support with adjustable clips. Place a 2-foot section of tray in position and bend fast-style tabs with a screwdriver to secure the tray. Double rows of fast tabs on UFS crossbars act as tray splices. Other options for underfloor mounting involve support mounted directly to the floor. The UFS stands off the floor 2.2 inches, and the UFS 150 has 6 inches of clearance. The FAST P provides 2/3 of an inch in clearance and is useful in tight installations. In this program, we have illustrated all of the common forms, bends, and mounting options that you will need for almost any installation. However, you can create customized forms with a little imagination. With Cablofil tray and your imagination, you'll never be confronted with a situation that can't be quickly resolved.